got a jacket. Bro, where did you get the jacket?
I'm burned out right now.
Where did you get
I
this?
feel so. Shout out Rare JDM parts of the booth over there, bro.
Whoa, Dylan Dana.
And I bought a real Mazda mechanic suit.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Anyways, so I never filmed an intro. We're here at the
LZ Invitational, baby.
Oh, you got the Dorito one, mate. What is this, dude? This is the first time I film it. Is
It's
it?
not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it really the first time you're filming?
MDNX wise, yes.
MDNX wise, okay, sure. Well, MDNX, feast your eyes on my animal. That is my 1993 Mazda RX-7.
Wow.
And it is far from stock. It used to be a black car with it was a black car with a black interior and a slick top. They only made 638 left-hand drives of those, but as you can see, it is not black anymore. It is my favorite color that these came in, Spirit R Gray, otherwise known as titanium gray.
Wow.
Yeah, keep the seats in here.
Yeah,
the next thing you'll know.
These things are pretty special.
Yeah, the next thing you'll notice are these are Type RZ seats. They are out of an FD RZ, which is basically the spec below the Spirit R, and they're the only factory bucket seats to come in these cars. And basically, these are the black versions. The Spirit R had the red versions. The red versions go for way more, but these are worth more than my Miata. Okay, so
dude, yeah,
so that just gives you an estimate.
Rare parts. I love rare parts, man. Holy crap.
Yeah, real JDM Speed Racer helmet too, by the way.
Damn. Yeah, definitely.
It's not.
Yeah. No, but these freaking brakes, dude.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Go to the front. Go to the front. So this is a custom big brake kit by Sika. 330 mil brake rotors with 6 piston calipers. They're both front and rear. I like to tell people that it stops as fast as it goes. You know, makes sense. But I mean, as you can see, the interior's been heavily modified with carbon fiber trim. Sparco steering wheel. Have a Microtech digital dash. There's a C short shifter in there. If you're an FD fanboy, you'll know that C's is the rare JDM shifter that everybody needs, and it is awesome. It was not worth the money I paid though. But the creme de la creme of this car, obviously, is the engine. I have put way too much money into this car, but they say money doesn't buy happiness. That's what broke people say.
Man, oh man, dude. Look at the windy boy right there.
The snail. Yeah, so this is a fully built 13B. It's basically as wild as you can go without billet. It's got a GTX. Don't mind him, that's my brother. It's got a GTX 3584 RS turbo. It's basically a step below the G40. It's a fully doweled and studded motor, lightened and balanced rotors, lightened and balanced E-shaft. It's a half bridge port, like I said, but it is so animalistic. It runs on full E85 tune, makes 530 wheel horsepower at 20 PSI. The only reason we stopped at that number is because my wastegate broke on the dyno.
Yep. Wait, was I there that day?
I believe you were.
Yeah, I was. Yeah.
So the wastegate on it right now is kind of faulty. That's where we're running into problems.
Well, I don't think it. Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
It did. Yeah, no, that was pretty scary.
Yeah, so the car was built by Elite Rotary, but I saved it from Wisconsin, brought it down to Florida where it can live its life in
rust-free
bliss. So I took it to Torque Performance. Torque Performance went through the whole car and really made it what I wanted it to be. Basically, my goal with this car is to build the GT3 RS of FD RX-7s. It's a big goal, but you know,
it'll get there.
Big
yeah.
dreams.
I mean, it's almost basically
big
there,
success, right?
Dude, this thing is awesome.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's got a full 4-inch stainless steel exit.
The Garrett Turbos. What Garrett Turbo is that?
It's a GTX 3584 RS.
Damn, dude.
Ceramic coated housing, downpipe, and header to keep everything cool. And like I said, it's 4 inches all the way back here to my giant exhaust pipe right there.
Yeah, dude, this thing is so cool.
And if you get the right
that's
shot,
there it is.
You can actually see my sump tank back here with my big 12 AN lines poking out the back. Had to modify the diffuser a little bit to fit that, but I think it looks absolutely awesome. Evo R taillights from Evo R. They're like Lamborghini style.
I think they went to go see drifting.
This is my hero right here. This is endless media. Endless with 3 S's.
I love how that's like your motto, dude. Endless with 3 S's.
There's like this endless 2 S's underscore media guy, and he has like 70 followers, and he has like 3 of my followers. So it has to be known.
Dude, stole your followers.
Remember,
with 3 S's.
Remember, 3 S's.
Remember,
triple S.
3 S's.
Triple S merchandise coming soon.
We're doing a full interview.
Alright,
That's
here we go.
okay.
We got-
No, that's okay. I would love.
Carbo fiber, some carbo fiber, and then we have exhaust for big flames here.
Carbon 502.
You come over here, we have carbon fiber fiber. We have Toyo R Triple AR on NK. What is it?
Alright, well, I'm not gonna ruin your vlog. I'm so sorry.
Nah, dude.
Touching's gonna
I'll
cost you.
listen. In a cameo by you is never ruining. It's
It's only making the video better, dude. It's only making the video better.
Matter of fact, let's get another cameo in here. We're here with Austin Kinzer of Holy Smokes Media. This is my producer.
Yeah, this is the guy you need to be worried about.
Hello. That's awesome, bro. This thing is so sick, bro.
Yeah,
is
thank
there
you.
anything else that we should? Where'd you get this from? Where'd you get this?
Well, the
full
side
carbon
steps.
fiber
Yeah,
side
those
steps?
are feed carbon side steps. A lot of people run them on this car. There's a reason. Look how good it looks.
Oh yeah.
I mean, come on. You can't
Yeah.
get.
How to total it.
Show them how to total it. So what I'm actually gonna do for you right now, I'm gonna hop in and go 30 miles an hour into that wall over there.
Right there.
Just
That's
straight through. My goal with this car is to be, the GT3 RS of FDs in terms of performance. So a couple plans for the car. I'm gonna get the whole interior rewrapped probably and like suede. I want to get it strengthened, get the whole car probably soundproof.
it's gonna be sick, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be animalistic.
Congrats on this beautiful machine, man.
Yes, sir.
Freaking.
I
dog.
really hope the camera caught that because that was such a
That was
solid,
such a
that's
solid
such a solid
handshake.
handshake. And if there's one thing you should take away from this, subscribe to MDNX. Goodbye.
And Dylan Dana. And Dylan.
Nah,
Dana.
you guys don't give a shit about me. It's fine.
Hey, don't listen to him. Subscribe to Dylan Dana. And MDNX. Goodbye.